Hey loves, I just connected the SwitchBot mini robot. My dream since I was high school is to have a robot, and this is the smallest robot ever invented in 2026. I did not do my face or my hair, so bear with me on how I look, but I just wanted to jump on as I was doing it. I already downloaded the app, it just synced. I just took the cap off, turned it on, pressed these two buttons at the same time for 3 seconds. It popped up on the app. I already have the fan, which is the first product we got. So I already had the app downloaded. I just put add one. And then I went through it. I added the Wi-Fi. And then now we're at this part.
I'm going to start mapping now.
This plastic. Oh my god, it's working. It's starting. This is the beginning. So apparently it's going to start like mapping out what's around. Obviously we're going to spray paint we have hours worth of spray paint projects right here we went to the last 2 days ago. We went 3 days ago actually, but 2 days in a row we went through everything. So I'll be spray painting this soon. Obviously this is not where I'm moving out, but it's mapping my family's home right now. So what it's gonna do right now is kind of see the location, like where it can go, where it can't go. Ooh, let's see what it does. The mirror. Ooh. Okay, now it understands that's an edge. I probably shouldn't have those things around like that. Obviously when I move out, I will have more space. I'll organize it the way I want to. That's my mom's mini fridge. All that stuff is my mom's. All of that stuff on that side is all mine. The pots and stuff on there is mine, and all these mirrors and these things are mine. But eventually I'll organize it my way, and I'll make it easy for the robot to understand, to clean. This robot will be every single day going on clockwork at the same time. And yeah, right now it's just doing the mapping process. Obviously I have to do this again when I move into the apartment. I just want to test, make sure it's okay. It's working good. And she's so cute. This is the K11 Plus. This is the newest model of the mini one. So it's even smaller than the last model, which was K10. It also does have an app, and it has stronger suction. A lot of other amazing features, so you want to upgrade to K11 versus K10 for sure. In 2026, obviously. But yeah, I'm going to let her do his thing. I'm just finishing up a garage sale right now. It wasn't as big as it usually is because it's Friday. People are working, but Saturday and Sunday we have more people come for the garage sale, so tomorrow will be bigger. But I didn't get much sleep last night because I stayed up till 6, and then I kind of was waiting. I don't know, I just couldn't sleep. So I just took naps a little bit here and there, but that's not good. I mean, I need to sleep tonight, but for sure I'm gonna be able to go to bed on time tonight because I didn't sleep as much. So then when I wake up for tomorrow, 6 a.m. for the garage sale, it'll be good. Oh no, that's Stag, I think. He's so cute. Oh wow, he's really going around the chairs. We put this right here for now because I'm doing my fitness stuff. But this normally actually goes there. We just bought that yesterday from Target. I'm gonna return the one that we unboxed the other day live, but then ended up not having instructions. That was wood like that, and it was supposed to go there. But I decided to go with the Target one that I found that same day in person, and it doesn't sell online, only in store. It's amazing. It's literally this is such an amazing find. But yeah, that's my mom's fan. This one's from Target or Costco. I'm probably Target too, but you want to get the SwitchBot one. It looks similar, but the SwitchBot is better. And that's why I ended up finding this product from that fan. That's the best fan on the market. And yeah, let's just let him do his thing. I just wanted to show you guys real time when I just started the app, just so you guys can see the process. Super simple. It took probably 3 minutes to set up. It's a mini little one. He's just like all the rest of them. He probably isn't as strong as Robo-Rock, which is the one that's been lead since high school. I've been watching robot vacuums. Robo-Rock is the lead, but I didn't want to spend $1,000, $2,000 on a robot. When I just bought Tinko, my vacuum, it's almost $1,000. So I just wanted something that's gonna keep all the dust and the hair that's falling out on a daily basis. And then Sundays, I'll use my vacuum per usual, like my normal routine. So yeah, he'll just clean up the dust and like little particles throughout the week, but he doesn't have to be like so strong, right? Like the Roborock, that's so expensive for that robot. And you still need a vacuum to do spots. So it's like, to me, it's just overkill. I'd rather just get something small and cute. He'll be my pet when I move out because Chloe cannot come with me because it's going to be too expensive to take care of her. And she's also our family cat. So he'll be my little pet with me every day, roaming around to clean the apartment and keep me from being alone. You're so cute. What should I name you? Look at him go. He's so miniature. Okay, loves. I love you guys so much. This is just the setup process, kind of. We already did the setup process actually in the other video, but this is like the next step that I should have done the moment, but I didn't. And we're here now. I love you guys. I hope this is helpful. I'll see you guys in the next one.